Welcome to Vicuña. We're one of New England's only bean-to-bar chocolatiers. We make all of our chocolate on site from scratch. We just have two ingredients, the cocoa and the sugar. All our chocolate is also single origin. So that means we keep the origin of the cocoa beans separate. The first step, like I said, is just harvesting, and then that pod has to be broken open. They lay all that out in the sun, and it is fermented and sun-dried. We bake all of our baked goods in here, and we also roast our cocoa beans. We put the beans on these perforated baking sheets. It ensures proper airflow around the bean as it's roasting. We let them cool, and then we can move over to this machine here, the winnowing machine. We'll then pour all the chocolate like this out of the grinder, and we'll have baking sheets under there that catch the chocolate and will cool the chocolate. We put those chunks of chocolate into the holding tank here. This spout here, chocolate will start coming out of that spout. In the holding tank, it's at 120 degrees. When it comes out of the spout, it's at 87.5 degrees Fahrenheit. That big temperature rise and temperature drop gives the chocolate that shine, the good mouthfeel. Once the chocolate's in the mold, we'll cool it in the cooling cabinet here. There's an air conditioning unit in here that cools the environment in here to about 40 or 50 degrees. Once the chocolate has been cooled in the molds, each bar is hand wrapped and papered. That's our bean-to-bar chocolate making process.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
What's so cool about manufacturing chocolate? The chocolate making process, as you saw it, what's really cool about it is it's equal parts science and equal parts art. So you have to pay a lot of attention to get each step right, but to create a great tasting chocolate, that's so much of an art. So within each step, like within the grinding, within the molding, yes, everything has to be done very precisely, but there's also a lot of opportunity for creativity. You can be really creative with the chocolate, but it's also a very precise process.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
So I think it's really interesting to see a whole process happen of making a product. I think that's a really cool part of manufacturing, is that it's very rare that you get to see the start to finish product of something you're buying. So I like that about our factory, that you can see everything being made.
My favorite part is actually the wrapping of the bars. Being able to touch each bar and wrap it so it looks really nice, that's really rewarding.
Why did you want to work with chocolate?
I thought that it just seemed like a really cool local business idea. It's different. It's something that brings diversity to the town.
Where do you see Vicuña in 10 years?
I see it being a national brand. I see it being as big as Hershey's, but in the gourmet food.